Good morning. So we are back with our daily question and answer. This week we're going to be talking all about blogs. If you've missed our previous Q&As, go back and look for all the videos with my head with the background. And most of those are going to be videos from this series. So today we are going to be answering the question, what makes a good blog? And if you missed when we talked about analytics, we've already discussed analytics for blogs. Go back and find that post in whatever platform you're watching me on. I do these videos daily on TikTok. I've been gone for 2 weeks because I was on a trip, but I'm back. So we'll be doing these at least Monday through Friday, and then sometimes I hop on Saturday and Sunday as well. But we're answering the question, what makes a good blog? And so I have 3 things that make a good blog. The very first one is going to be that it talks about what your customers are interested in. So how are you going to know this? Number 1, you can ask them. Right? Number 2, you need to do some good keyword research. Look into SEO, see what it is they're searching for so that you know how to optimize your blog to have the right keywords that your customers are going to want. So that's the very first thing. You have to be talking about something your customers are interested in. The second thing is that you're going to repeat keywords. So there are several places you want to make sure that once you find those keywords that you're saying them. You want to make sure they're in the title, the meta description for that blog post. You want to make sure that you have images and that on those images, the alt text is the keyword. And finally, you want to make sure you mention that specific keyword that you want to rank for on Google search several times in the copy. So number 1 thing you need if you want to have a good blog is you have to talk about stuff your customers care about. Number 2, you need to repeat whatever keywords you want to rank for several times in multiple places on that blog post. All right, what is the third thing that makes a good blog? The third thing that makes a good blog is that you include offers for your products. Yes, it is great to have a blog post that helps people, but ultimately, if you are an e-commerce seller, you are wanting to sell your products. So make sure on every single blog post that you offer, you have links that say, click here to get XYZ thing, and send them directly to your products so that your blog post becomes a source of revenue, not just a source of traffic that never converts. All right, so that is it. Our question for today was what makes a good blog post? Gave you 3 tips. Make sure that you follow, like, comment. I'd love to hear what you have to say about blogging for your e-commerce business. And I will see you tomorrow with the next frequently asked question about blogging.